Alfie, what experiment are you doing?
Plastic on there.
Yeah, and why are you putting the plastic on there?
The water go in.
To see if it's waterproof. Okay then, thank you. So where are you putting the plastic? Over the
jar.
Over the jar. What have you got inside your jar?
Squishy.
A squishy, okay. Why are you putting the elastic band around it?
To hold it, to hold the plastic.
What are you doing next, Alfie?
Put water inside.
How much water are you putting in?
3.
3 teaspoons. Count. 1.
1, 2, 3.
And how long do you count for to see if it is waterproof?
60.
To 60. So ready? 1.
1, 2, 3, 6.
No, you only have to count to 30. So 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Yep.
40.
Yep.
15.
Yep.
16, 17, 18, 19,
20.
20,
Yep. 20.
21,
Yep.
22, 23,
Yep.
24, 25, 26,
27.
28,
Yep.
29, 30.
Excellent. Right. Has any of the water come through?
No.
No. So is the plastic waterproof?
Yes.
Right. Okay. So could we use the plastic to make Ted's umbrella?
Yes.
Okay. What do we do now?
Empty the water.
Yeah.
Take this off.
Yeah. And show me your squishy. Is it definitely dry?
Yep.
It's dry. Well done.
It's wet in there too.